Bueno, yo creo que lo que falta aquí es alguien que hable español y para hablar brasileño, porque vamos a hablar de Latam. So I'll switch back to English, but that's one of the things I think we were saying over here. So I wanted to make a point in explaining that one of the key factors into being successful in an OTT offering is to being local. And in the case of LATAM, being multi-local, as everybody here is pointing out, LATAM is it's not just a blob on the map. It's a collection of countries with different cultural and social political situations, and you must really know them, learn them, and talk to them in order to be successful. So first of all, a small disclaimer, I am not really working in OTT, I am a CDN business development guy. You will see that when it comes to the CDN slide, I'll get over enthusiastic and try to sell it to all of you guys. I've tried to sell it to these guys. I'm doing okay with one of them. So anyway, I'm running out of minutes, so this picture represents over the top. It's not my idea, but it's a funny joke. So improving the appeal of operators' entertainment's value proposal. So here's a small snapshot of what it is we do today and what it is we have. The only thing I'd like to point out of this slide, the numbers are there for you guys to read, is that we don't operate one soup fits all. It is not the same service across all those different countries. In Argentina it's called On Video, in Telefonica it's called Movistar Video Club, then we have the IPTV, then we have there's different initiatives and different sort of tailor-made solutions for each of the countries we operate in. All the menus are in the local languages, all the support numbers to which you call if you have an issue are local numbers. People with your same accent will pick up the phone, so somebody in Argentina will be somebody local from Argentina, and somebody from Chile or Brazil will be local as well. So what do we see in OTT? I mean, the good thing about having a guy that's not really OTT DNA like me is that I'm looking at it from the outside. We see similar interfacing tools. I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to have a menu, a small briefing of your movie, an image of the movie. You're going to have your play, rewind, plays, control. You know, the interface, some of them are funkier in terms of color and shape, but they do the same thing. There's no clear differentiator on what they are. The catalog is pretty much the same. All right, there's the local side of the catalogs, but even if you compare a local catalog in Chile to, you know, between them, you're going to find they are 90% the same. Where are the differentiators? Well, what makes one service different from the other? And we believe the key there is, as we said, being multi-local, so having different brands and different offerings and different audiences you're catering to. One size does not fit all, and anything you can do to put in there some added value. Recommendations tool, anything you can do, ease of use, help in billing, help in getting those, you know, again, Latin America, you get, for Americans and Europeans, we've seen this happen. You go maybe with a gas and a phone bill, and you still pay that with cash in a store, as opposed to getting that paid through your bank or through your credit card. And, you know, for example, Telefonica having relationships with hundreds of millions of end users over there. We already have billing relationships with them, and one thing we do is make it easier for them to pay, because we include in the phone bill. So you have your phone voice minutes and whatever premium contents you've been acquiring from us. This is the Bart Simpson slide. I'll let you guys read. But basically that's our value proposition. Again, we believe the key points here are keep it simple, know your viewer, be local, and be cool. So that's basically what it is. If we look at this, our value proposition is a seamless entertainment center, which has brought us all the way from our early beginnings in VOD to where we are today offering premium TV, which is a combination of on-demand, free TV, etc. Here, this is really the slide I'm here to talk about today, which is what makes us different and where do we think are the keys for differentiating. So first of all, appealing content. Again, there's a 90%, you know, these contents are pretty much the same. So in whatever you can differentiate from your competitors, that's really going to be key. If you can get an earlier window to show some of those contents, if you can get exclusive contents, if you can make something that makes you different in terms of content. Study and understand your customers' behaviors. Consider the flood of video services and make it simple for them. So, you know, easier access, easier payment, easier hiring, easier everything. Develop a simple and easy to learn multi-screen value proposition. So you got to pay attention to what features make sense to have and what features don't make sense to have. Invest in good recommendation engine and CRM. Make it social. Let them share. Let them recommend each other. Let it become viral. And use your strength for having a joint go-to-market strategies with connected device vendors. So go talk to your connected TVs, your connected handset manufacturers, and try, again, I'd say number 6 is very much connected to number 3, because it's all about making it simple for the end user. I'm buying my TV. I mean, everybody in this room, if you guys don't have a connected TV, the next TV you're going to have is going to be a connected TV. It's the way things are going to happen. So if I'm buying my connected TV and it comes already with a service that's going to help me enjoy that entertainment, there you go, that's just made it simpler for me. And finally, educate. I don't like this word. I have not made this slide. I don't believe in educating people, but if you will, evangelize or put out a message to your users so that they can exploit, enjoy, and discover all the different options that you have. Again, social TV here is key. So finally, breaking some of the traditional constraints for product development related, very highly customer-driven innovation. As we said, listen to your customers, learn about them, and deliver to them. And agile speed in making that delivery happen. So again, co-creation, innovation, centralized solution. Again, try to make anything that's technical transparent to your users. Don't make them learn about DRMs or about getting separate licenses. Make it all just very transparent. And once all is done, you could differentiate your offer with different pricing per device, content, user type, etc. That is it from me. Thank you very much. I am the absolute winner because I've done it in 5 minutes. Toma ya.
5 minutes. I will next time I'm in Madrid. All right, last but certainly not least.